Welcome to Ownprint. In this video, we'll talk about Ownprint points and how they help you. Points are simple. They do three things for you. First, every point is €1 off your orders. So when you pay for production and shipping, your points lower the price. 1 point saves you €1. Second, points make paying faster. Normally, every time you pay for an order, you have to enter your card or payment details. But if you have points ready, you skip all that process. You just use your points and you're done. This saves you a lot of time if you have many orders or if someone on your team places orders for you. Third, points also power all the AI tools in your Ownprint dashboard. You can make beautiful jewelry designs and real-looking product photos without hiring a designer or a photographer. You can also write message card texts with just one click, and these cost very little. 1 point gives you 4 AI designs and mockup generations, or 20 message card texts. And here's something really cool, you don't always have to buy points either. You can also earn them in our community by sharing your results, hitting new goals, or just for being awesome. So contribute to the community and we'll reward you with points. 1 point is €1 and your points never expire. So the same Ownprint points save you money, make paying faster, and power your AI tools. Your points balance is always shown at the top of the screen, so top up your balance and try them out.